I'll use chisel. But there's also another way. That is when the hard way we're grown up, but this might be a hard hammer. Do this, and then fly like that. And then you not touch it because there was jaw dust.
But grab it. Now why did we have to notch this?
And this looks like good residue to play with, but it's not. You just have to break and then boom. It's good.
And why did we notch this?
Because it didn't want to be stabled.
Right. So all the load, all the pressure. What are you doing?
Trying to wait.
No, just put it in. See? These just pull out. Well, you're doing a whole bunch of them.
Was that cool?
Yeah.
Was that...
So what we'll do is we notch this to take the load off the deck because you hear about all the accidents with the deck. And it's because it's bolted onto here instead of putting the load onto the post, which is harder to knot. Is that right?
Yeah.
So we're going to do this and then we'll show you when we're totally done. Okay, 4 inches?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the last one, but I didn't cut through all the way.
Why?
Well, I thought the saw did go, but it didn't. Should go. See if you could pry it.
Oh, I know a little trick on that loop. Can you give me... I won't go.
Okay, thanks to Stefan's notching, we could start putting our frame together. Before you frame, Stefan, put it the same level down. Same height. Make sure everything's square. So that means you do an angle across. So you're going to do 2 crosses and it's got to be the same distance. Alright, we're just finishing the frame. It took a little while. Lumber is scarce and it is either too hot or too rainy. So the most important about doing this is getting everything square. So do the diagonal. Alright, Stefan, you want to say anything?
No. I can carry board really good.
Oh yeah, he was a big help. And he could hold.
Board.
And it's nice and sturdy and strong.
Oh yeah, as usual we overdid everything. But it's better to overdo. So, alright, so this is part 1. Yep. And this is Stefan, Taylor, and Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. And the next will be the deck and the stair boards and the railing.
And this is the deck I built.
Yeah.
I did wrong.
Yeah, he learned to chisel and everything else.
I can build anything.
All right, thanks. Bye.
I can't leave you here.
Pull. Pull. No, throw it in the air so he gets it. Go. Let him